look realistic, and it's yours, boo. It is yours. You paid for it. Shoot.
You don't know me, you don't know me. You just know what you think you know about me. Oh, and you can take one look inside and get to know the person in me. I'm a king and I don't stop, 'cause I'm free. Get to know me.
What's up? It's me, Anatolio, and I am about to unbox this new wig that I just got from BGMGirl. It is a kinky straight wig. So let's see what it's all about. Here is the package. It came like this, secured from DHL. Came all the way from China. It's my first time. This is dope. Okay. Ooh, let's see what it is. Look. Here it is. We are opening it. Here is the hair. Here's the hair. Right here. And the little baggie that it comes with it. Let's see what's inside of it. Some lashes. I don't wear lashes, but whoever does, here's some lashes for you. It's their little TikTok if you want to post or anything like that. So here it is right there. The information about your hair is right here to tell you what to do with it. Just give you a little history, all that, how to wash, clean, everything like that. Here is a comb slash brush, or if you want to make baby hairs or something like that. I'm not a baby hair person, so I won't be using that at all. Here's a band, unless you want to glue it and secure your wig. You guys, this is what you need. HD wig cap, which I already have on because of course I wear wigs. And this is just a darker one for my brown skinned people out there. And a little bonnet. Which is perfect because you want to make sure if you do glue it that your hair is taken care of. You don't want naps in the morning. So let's go ahead and put that stuff back in here and get into putting on the wig. Just seeing what it's all about. And I got it in 24 inches, kinky straight, you guys. So this is super long. This is something that I wouldn't normally go for a long look, but I am. I mean, we need to get the dramatics going. Love drama, and we just want to take things and elevate it. Okay, it is in a net or whatever, and yes, it smelled like it came from somewhere. I don't know if you guys know, it'd be like a smell to this stuff, to the hair or whatever, but it feels good so far. I can run my hand through it. Nothing yet. Looks pretty. Okay. This is how the lace looks. It is pre-plucked, and as you can see, it's got little tiny little knots and stuff like that in there, so it's perfect. I mean, baby, it looks good so far. It's like ready to wear out the box. I'm not lying. I'm like ready to just slap it on. But yeah, look. Okay, now we're about to try it on and see what it's giving. As you see, it has a band or whatever, so, and you can detach all of that. It has combs, and you can detach the combs as well. And it's got this. You know what, you guys? I don't know what they always put this in there. What is this for? I never knew what this is for. They put it in everything. But yeah, you can detach all this. It's removable, and it lets you know. All right, let's see. Girl. Yeah, I had a wig on before this. So don't mind if you see a little something. All right. Let's see. All right, maybe. Oh. Oh, baby. No, for real. This maybe, all right. looking good. It's not as too long. I thought it was gonna be way, way longer than this. Don't comment on out. But no, look at this, you guys. Y'all see that? That is crazy. To see the wig cap and everything, but you know, we gotta tint the lace and get it to, you know, working for me. Wow, you guys. I'm looking in my mirror, so I'm kind of giving Snoop Dogg, but it's cool. But this is pretty, man. Oh my God. No, for real. Like, I've never had a wig that literally, wow, this is good. You got, y'all can't see that. I don't know if y'all can, but this looks good. Man, I've never seen a company be able to get that thing like that. Like, you can move and everything. So we're gonna tint the lace and we'll be right back. Y'all see that? What? What wig, baby? It's mine. Yes, just adjusting. So right now, this is how it's looking. But we about to really make that thing work. This the mousse, y'all. This is Ebon New York tinted lace mousse. Light, and it's in the shade of light warm brown. You can get it from your local beauty store. But let's see. So I guess this is gonna come in handy. Now watch how this lace disappears, y'all. Tinting that lace is getting it to where it would look realistic, and it like it, and it's yours, boo. It is yours. You paid for it. Shoot. So yeah, y'all see that? And this is a 9x6, so it's got plenty of room to go in there and park and stuff. We'll figure it out in a few. But let us dry that out. I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna be right back, you guys. I'm really loving this. Y'all see this? Oh yeah, this is really beautiful. Really beautiful. It's like my hair grew back overnight. My real hair, now for serious, like when I used to have longer hair, like I just started back growing my hair back out. So, but when I did, and I got it pressed or whatever like that, this is how it looked. Like, wow. Oh, for real, this really looked good. So it's not melted, but we have it cleaned up and everything like that. So, what do you guys think? I really love the hair. Oh, also, I did see a lot of people saying that it was like a lot of hair or something like that. So if you are not used to wearing a lot of hair, this probably isn't for you. I'm used to wearing like very curly, big, kinky hair. That's just my thing. That's my brand. So, but this is perfect. It's very light to me. Very light. It's just like, and if you do have long hair, you know, it's like basically like your hair. It feels like our hair. If you know what I mean. But yeah, how do you guys like it? I don't know how I'm gonna be styling it, but I know I'm gonna be styling it. I love it. It looks great. It looks natural. And hey, you guys want me to do more reviews or what? But baby, I'm about to go and this hair. I love you guys and I love you for loving me. Check out this hair. BGMGirl, okay? For real, y'all. I'm 5'11", so me being 5'11", this is how it looks. I love you guys and I love you for loving me. I will see you later.